Folks, the moment has arrived. Yes, CodeBasics AI and Data Science Bootcamp is now live on our website. Few months back, we released this Data Science Foundation Bootcamp, which was a temporary solution for those who did not want to wait for this final bootcamp. It is like you're writing a book which has 10 chapters and you are done with 6 chapters and you have viewers who are interested in those 6 chapters. So we released that. Today, we are releasing the entire book with all 10 chapters. Yes, this is the final complete Data Science and AI Bootcamp. And the purpose of this video is to explain all its features and content. Now, before we proceed, let me make one thing very clear. If you want me to say that
this bootcamp is a magic pill that will give you 100% job guarantee, or it will make you earn lakhs of rupees,
then please leave this video right now. I'm not going to say anything unrealistic. Also, if you are someone who prefers to learn things using free resources such as YouTube, then don't worry. We have this channel CodeBasics, which has many playlists, roadmaps, and projects that can help you learn data science and AI. Watch this video if you are interested in knowing what this paid bootcamp offers. So far, we have received overwhelmingly positive response for all our courses and past bootcamps. If you go to testimonial and click on job stories, you will see all the people who got a job through our data analyst bootcamp. And when you click on this LinkedIn profile, the profile you see is genuine. It is not fake. I know some edtech companies will create fake profiles to increase their sales. In our case, all these profiles are 100% genuine. All the course reviews that you see here are 100% genuine. Not a single review is fake here. So you can read through it and you can get an idea. If you want to talk to some person, let's say you click on this person's profile, send them a message. I mean, you can reach out to a couple of them and maybe 1 or 2 person will respond and they will give you a review on our bootcamp. We want to create same positive response for our data science bootcamp as well. Let's talk about the price for new learners as well as learners who have bought our previous courses. Let's say if you have bought Python and SQL course, okay? Now these courses are part of our AI bootcamp. So if you have enrolled into any of these 6 courses, Python, SQL, Math, Stats, AI for everyone, machine learning or deep learning, then you will get a price reduction of whatever money you paid for those courses. So for example, if you paid for Python 1200 rupees, SQL 1500 rupees, and if DS AI Bootcamp is 12,000, then you will be paying 9,300. See, this is the formula. The price of the bootcamp minus price of courses you have already paid. And these courses should be one of these 6 courses which are part of the bootcamp. If you have bought, let's say, Excel course, then Excel course is not part of AI bootcamp. So then you don't get a price reduction. It should be obvious. If you are enrolled into our DS Foundation Bootcamp, then you would have paid some X amount. When you upgrade to the final DS AI Bootcamp, which is full-fledged bootcamp, you will get again same price reduction. It's folks, is common logic, okay? So 12,000 is the price of the full bootcamp minus foundation bootcamp, and this is how much you will be paying. If you have, let's say, bought foundation bootcamp and deep learning course, then again price of the bootcamp minus the foundation bootcamp minus deep learning course, okay? So all the existing learners who have paid the price for any content that we have in this foundation bootcamp will get price reduction. If you are a new student, then of course you don't have to go through logic. You log into the website, whatever price you see, you will pay it. Now we have different prices for India, developed countries, and rest of the world. Some people ask me, okay, in India it is, let's say, X amount, and in US, why is it not X into whatever is the currency conversion rate? In US, it will be little higher. The reason is we do pricing as per the economic standard in that country, as per our tax rules, because our expenses, everything, like we have an office in US also, and the whole accounting financing is very different than what we have it in India. Okay. So folks, please use a common sense. The price will be different. Don't just try to multiply it with your currency conversion rate, That's not how things work. If you have done business, you will understand why I'm saying this. Here is our refund policy. After buying this bootcamp, due to whatever reason, if you don't like it, in 30 days, you will get full refund, no questions asked. On this bootcamp page, you will find entire curriculum. So if you go down, you will see this entire path. This covers technical as well as soft skills. We will start our journey with Python because Python is a programming language for data science and AI. Then we move to online credibility for data science. Now this is not technical, it comes under soft skills. We have mixed soft and technical skills to give you a very smooth and engaging learning experience. We will then cover the basics of SQL, math and statistics, super important. Then online credibility part 2, along with domain knowledge. This machine learning module is mainly about statistical machine learning using scikit-learn library. Then we have job assistance portal, ATS resume, portfolio website. I'll talk about these things in detail later on. Then we have deep learning module, NLP, Gen AI. We help you with job application, interview prep, and then virtual internship. There is another virtual internship, which is optional. It is not in a critical path. We also have some advanced SQL, teaching content, and some supplementary learning. Okay, but this one, start to end, is a critical path that you need to go through to complete the bootcamp. And these 3 things are optional. Now folks, please read this LinkedIn post carefully. If there are 2 aspirants where one person is very good in the technical skills, but they don't know how to show their work, whereas the other aspirant has reasonable skill set, but they know how to show the work, the chances of the second person landing job is much higher than the first person. The creator of this bootcamp, myself and Hemanand, we both have interviewed many candidates in our past experience as well as in our current companies, and we know what interviewers are looking for. Therefore, we have incorporated most relevant skills, including those soft skills that will help you come into the category of that second aspirant, where you don't just learn technical skills, you know how to showcase your skills through online credibility, through project portfolio, through ATS resume, and so on. This particular online credibility module will help you showcase your skills to the world. Here we teach how to set up your LinkedIn profile, how to engage, how to increase visibility on LinkedIn so that your chances of getting interview call and getting hired increases. This is very helpful, especially to freshers and people with career breaks or people who are making a transition from other domain to data science and AI, and this gives them a competitive edge over others. You will find a lot of online instructors who will claim that we teach technical and soft skills in a most industry relevant way. Should you believe them? I would say no. People can say anything to sell their courses. You should not even believe in what I am saying. You should do your own research and find out the proof of work. In our case, if you look at my LinkedIn profile, I have worked with big tech companies like Nvidia and Bloomberg for more than 14 years. At Bloomberg especially, which is world's biggest financial data analytics company, I was involved in a variety of data projects. In my own AI and data services company, Atlic Technologies, I have been involved in various AI projects, and most of our clients are based in US, and we consult them on AI projects and we implement those AI solutions for them. So based on that real experience, we have gained a lot of industry knowledge, and we are translating that industry knowledge into the teaching content via this bootcamp. The other instructor on this bootcamp, Hemanand Vadivel, has many years of experience in Europe as a data analytics manager, where he worked on more than 30 enterprise level data projects. He was also involved in the corporate training where they were training higher level managers who report directly to C-level folks. So he was training them on various topics such as data literacy and so on. Hemanand is mainly involved in teaching online credibility and few other modules which are related to soft skills required for AI engineer and data scientist. Throughout the bootcamp, we have used a very engaging teaching style. For example, in this API video, we use this analogy of human brain versus body. So human brain is your trained model. Your body is the server, let's say fast API server, which can interact with the world. Throughout the entire bootcamp, we have used different type of analogies so that your learning becomes very smooth. You can also see the testimonial of this on our YouTube channel. So if you go to Codebasics channel and look at some of the comments on our videos, you will understand that we actually teach things in a way that even a high school student can understand it easily. One other thing we do for effective teaching is cinematic storytelling. Let me show you an example. In our machine learning module, you have this project 1 where we talk about the rise of Atlic AI. So Atlic AI is this company where you are working as a data scientist. Okay. So Bruce Hariali, this person, is the owner of this company, and he's riding on this AI gold rush. Okay. Then he faces all these problems and so on. And to save him, Tony Sharma, a senior data scientist, and Peter Pandey, a junior data scientist or AI engineer, joins his team. You will see yourself in Peter Pandey's story. So Peter Pandey is this person who is starting his journey in this Atlic AI, and he's learning a lot of things. Okay. So when you are going through this bootcamp, you will try to see yourself in Peter Pandey, and through that you will learn a lot of useful things. We have things like project charter meeting. Let me just show you. So project charter meeting will go over all the hopes, fears. If you have done project management, you will understand. So we have used a tool called Mural here to define project timeline, the success criteria, collaboration agreement, and so on. And then we do scoping of the work. We create SOW document. We create tasks in Jira. So when you're going through this project, you will get a feeling as if you are working in a real company, because you're not only learning technical skills, you are learning project management. You're learning stakeholder management. You're getting an experience of how projects are done for real in different companies. Then we go through data collection and all of that, right? So technical things, obviously we go through, but we also go through a lot of soft skills. So for example, when you're working on data collection, you will see this kind of email coming in. So you get this simulated view of email coming in, you are downloading data, you are talking to stakeholders and building a solution. Now, this methodology has really worked well for our other bootcamps and courses which are already live. We have a very high completion rate. Okay, so if you look at our past courses and past students who have gone through our courses, our completion rate is much higher compared to other online courses, because the teaching is very smooth. The teaching includes soft skills as well as this cinematic experiences, and that creates a higher engagement. One of the problem with self-paced courses is that I am watching a tutorial. What do I do if I have a question? Don't worry, we have a Discord server for this. Below any video, you will see this Ask Questions button, and you can click our Discord server. So I clicked on this and it will ask you to authorize. Once you are authorized, you will land on our Discord server. Here, our team will help you with any questions you have. So if you have a math and statistic question, you ask here, right? So we have different channels. For SQL, we have different channel. Python, we have different channel, right? Virtual internship. See, we have different channels for different topics. Machine learning here. You ask a question and our team will help you. Many times there are other students who are very helpful and enthusiastic. They will also help you. So usually you will get an answer to your question in a reasonable time frame. Also, you can use ChatGPT. So if you're facing any error, majority of the times what a smart student would do is copy paste the error and talk to ChatGPT about it and try to understand what it is saying. So with the ChatGPT now, this kind of doubt clearance has become much easier. So what we are finding is we have some bootcamp students who are really smart. Whenever they are finding any problem, they have learned this art of using ChatGPT. And most of the time they resolve their queries on their own. And this is awesome because you are becoming self-sufficient. When you join any company, work as an AI engineer or data scientist, if you have this skill of being self-sufficient, you will make a fast progress because you are not bothering other people. You know how to find solution of your own problems. Nevertheless, if you have any other queries, you can definitely post in this Discord server and my team will help you. We provide job assistance through this smart job assistance portal. So if you click here, the features that you will see is resume review, portfolio website. We help you with optimizing your LinkedIn profile. We help you connect with relevant job openings. We help you with building a ATS resume through the Resume Builder, job application tracker, and so on. So if you go to job assistance portal here, you will be able to track your application. So let's say if you have applied in certain jobs, you will be able to track it here. You can change the status, etc. You will have to first fill out all your information, okay? Your different criteria, your experience, skills, education, and so on, so that we have your complete profile and we can do matchmaking with the relevant job openings, okay? So once you have done all of this, your profile will be in our system. On the other hand, potential employers will use hire from us page, okay? So you use job assistance form, but the recruiter will click on hire from us. And let's say there is a company, they need 5 AI engineers. They will fill out all their details and they will request a call back. We have a team that will reach out to them and they will figure out. And then we have your profiles. So we can do sort of like matchmaking and we can refer you to those job openings. We have built an automatic resume builder. So if you click on this, you will get some fields where you can enter the values. For example, let's say in domain, I will say finance, okay? And save it. See, it comes here on the right side. If I say key skills, let's say Python and concepts like, okay, let's say I did web scraping, data cleaning, and so on. When you save it, see, your resume is being built automatically. And then you can click on download button to download it. So we have made building an ATS resume easier for you. ATS stands for application tracking system. And you will be able to build a resume which has a higher score, which means your probability of getting an interview will increase. We also have a couple of other features such as LinkedIn profile review. So when you click on submit LinkedIn profile, let's say you build LinkedIn profile as per the online credibility module, as per our guidelines. Then you ensure you have gone through this checklist, okay? So if you click on this checklist, you will find a particular checklist where, you will say click, click, click. See, this is the checklist that we have. What not to do, what to do. After that, you'll be able to submit your profile here and we will review it and give you a feedback. Okay, so my team will review it and give you a feedback. You can do same thing with your resume also. You can upload your resume, make sure you have gone through again a checklist and we will give you the feedback. So we have all these features which will help you in your interview process. We also help you create portfolio website, which is my favorite. Portfolio is sort of like your online resume. If you go through this module, Job Assistant Portal, ATS Resume and Portfolio website, there will be a section where we will teach you how you can create portfolio website using our own codebasics.io portal, okay? So on our portal, we have feature where you fill certain fields and it will automatically create a portfolio website which looks something like this. So I'm showing you this sample project portfolio website. And what this has is information about you. So let's say you are Naveen, you are an aspiring data scientist, you are a bootcamp student. You used our portal to create this website. Now a potential recruiter can come to your website and they will get information on what are your key skills. Okay, so these are my key skills. How many projects you have done? You have done one Gen AI project, one Python project, and so on. A little description about yourself. So once again, this looks like an online resume. The difference that it has with resume is that resume is kind of static. Whereas here, let's say if I want to see that person talking. So here I can play a video, okay? So Naveen has provided his video introducing himself. Now as an interviewer, if I'm looking at this person, I will get some clues on this person's persona, their communication. All of these things matter when you're hiring a candidate. So you see person's video, their key information, then you can also see their projects. So let's say Naveen built e-commerce chatbot using RAG. And as an interviewer, I'm like, okay, what is this? So I click on it. Now I see the screenshot of that app, the technical architecture. I, of course, read the description about that project. I also have a video. See, Naveen would have demoed that application through a video. And we suggest that our students create these videos as well. Okay, so it's like a video presentation of your project. So as an interviewer, when I'm watching it, I will get clues on your presentation skills. Then I can check your code as well. So if I click here, let's say click here, I will land on your code repository. Okay, I can see your code. Okay, so I'll go here. See, I will check your Python code to see your code quality and so on. Not only that, I will look at your README. I will look at the project description and so on. See, we'll also teach you how to create a professional looking README file and professional looking GitHub profile. So this way, it is increasing your online credibility. If you're just sending your resume to a recruiter, it's just static. People will put claim, I have excellent communication, I have excellent presentation. But what is the proof? Everyone will write that. Here, the portfolio website is providing a proof. Say here you have a presentation. If person sees your presentation, they will get a proof. Person sees your code, so they get proof on your technical knowledge. Person sees a video of you presenting, so they get clues on your communication, your persona. So you are providing a lot of proofs through this project portfolio website, and we have made creating this thing very easy for you. You can attach a CV to your project portfolio website, and if someone wants to look at the CV, they can click on this option and take a look. One additional thing you can include on your project portfolio website is a link of your live working app. So let's say if the link is included and a recruiter clicks on it, they will land on this kind of app. And in our machine learning module, I have shown you how you can publish this Streamlit app to Streamlit Cloud. Now, a recruiter can play with this app. Okay, they can change all this parameter when they click on calculate risk. See, this is a live working app. So you are showing a live proof of your end-to-end application. Once you are done with all your technical and soft skills, you will get a virtual internship, and you are going to get 2 of them. The way a virtual internship works is, see, we will be giving you a couple of tasks. So you start with a welcome note. Let's assume you got the internship in Atlic Technologies. Okay, then you will get this internship offer. Okay, so when you're going through it, you get this simulated experience as if you are doing an internship in a company. And this offer letter, etc., is real. Okay, Atlic is a real company. And then your manager will come. So he will come on a Zoom call. Okay, I mean, not on a real Zoom call. This is a virtual internship, so you'll just watch a video, but you will get this simulated experience as if your manager is talking with you. They will give you a task, and for the exact task details, you will get an email. So an email, so here is the information on the help, Discord, etc. But eventually you will get your first task. Okay, so your first task is given by your manager through this video, and then you see an incoming email. So the email talks about the campaign performance analysis in a company called NovaMart. You are given the PDF containing the requirements, then metadata, text files, and so on. So if you download these files, you will get that. And then next, you will do your work, and then you will perform the QC. So let's say I am doing some data analysis, some data cleaning as per the task requirement. Then you will say, have you completed the task? Yes, I have completed that. So let's do a QC check. So when you go to a QC check, it will ask you questions. Okay, and I'm logged in as an admin, so that's why I'm seeing the correct answer, but you will not see the correct answer. So you will look at your notebook and you will look at this question and you will answer this question. So if you say 10, finish, correct answer is 10. So it will say, great job. Okay, so we are doing this QC check by asking you a bunch of questions. I'm doing retake, by the way, because I have gone through it. Okay, so see, then 3. So you keep on asking this question and you can verify your work. So in this internship, you will do pandas, data cleaning, and so on. You will also build machine learning model and so on. See, all the tasks, everything is given here. It's kind of quite extensive, where you are working on a variety of diverse tasks. Okay, and this first internship is mandatory. It covers Python, SQL, math, statistics, machine learning. The second internship, which is optional, it covers deep learning and Gen AI. So week 5 and 6 is deep learning, where you are given a task to work on a deep learning project. and week 7 and 8, you work on building some Gen AI projects. Once again, we give all the information, data set, all the guidance to you, and you work as if you are doing internship in a company. We receive this question very often. Is there an EMI, which is monthly installment option for this bootcamp or not? If you go to this bootcamp page, at the very end, you will find FAQ section. In that, click on payment option, and we have already answered this EMI question. The way you can pay in installments is, first you buy Python course. You pay for that. You study Python, let's say for a month or 15 days, whatever. Then you buy math and statistics course. So essentially you are going in a sequence as per that bootcamp syllabus curriculum. And then you will pay price for math and statistics. And then after a month or 2 months, whenever you are done, you can buy another course which is part of the bootcamp, or you can just buy the bootcamp. Now, when you buy the bootcamp, you will get price reduction. We believe in honest gimmick-free pricing. So we are not playing all those games that, oh, early bird offer, 50% off. We don't do all those like this sale, Christmas sale, this sale, that sale. We just believe in consistent, very honest, very transparent pricing. And I understand people have issues, although the pricing is very affordable if you compare it with other programs that are out there. Still, I understand there are people who might be facing financial difficulties. For them, we have this type of option so that they can pay in installments. I hope this bootcamp syllabus overview and information on the features will help you make a right decision. Of course, this is my bootcamp, so I would say good things about it. What you need to do is do your own research and look at all the proofs which we have given. And even if you are evaluating any other bootcamp, please don't just make your decision based on what they are saying, because the person who is selling the bootcamp will say good things about it, right? So you have to look at the proofs, do your research, and then make a decision. I wish you all the best. Okay, this one last portion is for the people who have been waiting for a long time. We were receiving a lot of comments on our YouTube, LinkedIn, etc., where people were waiting for this particular bootcamp. And to show the gratitude towards those people, we are going to give a special codebasics diary to first 1,000 learners who enroll into the bootcamp. It will be hard for us to ship products outside India. So if you're a learner who is not from India, you will get a digital offering as our way of showing gratitude. This is just our way of saying thanks, folks, especially for those people who have waited for this for a long time.